So Andre Borba, right here, we have a lane splitting hazard. We're already lane splitting, but here we go. Okay, we're getting in through here. What's the hazard? What are we dealing with? What are we gonna deal with? Ooh, getting a little close, a little tight. Ooh, got a little clip. Thankfully, he didn't really hit his hands. He's got those bark busters and the guards for the hands, and also for his brake lever. So I think he hit the person. Yeah, he hit the person on the right. Now, think about this real quick. No gloves, okay? No gloves. What's the lever on the right side? We got a brake, the front brake. Exactly. So if he didn't have this guard right here and he clips the mirror with that guard, let's say no guard now. So he clips that mirror with that right side. Yeah, the front brake. So he's going to come up to here and he clips it. So imagine locking up the front wheel, falling down, and then getting your head ran over by this. It's not a great spot to dump the bike. Exactly, Christopher. It's not a great spot to dump the bike. So how lucky are we? I think we're going to lock up that front tire. We're going to lose traction, dump the bike. We're going to fall down in between a large vehicle and another vehicle. Maybe our leg, our arm, or even our head's going to go underneath the tire. That's going to happen. So he got very lucky. A lot of people see this like, oh, that's not a big deal. He just clipped the mirror, but he would have hit that front brake on that mirror, fell down, and then he would have been in between two different vehicles, and we probably wouldn't have a video here because bikers would never be able to get it because the police would have the recording and family would not send it in to bikers. You see what I mean? So we're lucky to even have this footage because this guy didn't die. All right, so right here we got this person's first moto vlog. First moto vlog. Whoa, side of the vehicle. Burger Boy. All right, Burger Boy. So what happened there, everybody? I'm going to give that to you. We're going to have a left turner, but what happened with us? So he did a good job perceiving. He did a good job reacting. He needs to work a little bit on what? What does he need to work on? Let's see it again. So there's a left turner coming up.
Oh my God, dude.
His braking. He locked up that rear brake. Look at him fishtail. Look at him fishtail. He needs to work on progressive braking, or if you run out of a space cushion and total stopping distance, what are the two red stage maneuvers that we typically can fall back on? So right now he's gonna do one of them.
Oh my God, dude.
Or he's gonna attempt to do one of them. Find an escape route. Find an escape route. Yeah, part of planning. Emergency braking. Emergency braking or emergency swerving. You have to perceive the threat. You have to start to react. Okay. And then the reaction could be braking or swerving. So perception, reaction is going to be braking. You need braking distance, and that's going to be total stopping distance, okay? So perception, reaction, braking distance equals total stopping distance. You need to have room to stop. Now you can do perceiving, reacting, which is going to be swerving. And what is it that you need instead of braking distance? What's braking distance in the version of swerving? And that's going to be escape route. I know I keep answering the question for you guys. So you need to have perception, reaction, I'm going to swerve. You need an escape route. That's going to be your swerving formula right there. So he locked up those tires.
Woo!
All right, Burger Boy, here we go. Oh, no, don't fall. Please don't fall. All right, a lot of nervous laughing. A lot of nervous laughing, Burger Boy.